This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carla Walker. Lovely new construction homes within the established Hillpoint community. Wetherington Homes offers spacious 4 and 5 bedroom homes with lots of designer features included. The Roanoke may be built as 4 or 5 bedroom west/loft. Great floor plan west/open kitchen and den, large dining room, first floor study. LVP flooring downstairs. Large pantry and lots of closet space. Rear entry 2-car garage. No neighbors behind homes. Completed homes available for quick closing. Sched appointment today. January 2, 2025. For more information, review the details below or contact Carla Walker at 757-652-1414.